Introduction to OAuth.
OAuth is a security standard that lets you safely give websites or apps access to your data on other services, like Google or Facebook, without sharing your password. It's widely used to let you sign in to new sites with just a few clicks, making your online experience both easier and more secure.
How does OAuth work?
When you use OAuth, you're authorizing a service to access your information from another account without ever revealing your login credentials. Instead, you grant permission for specific data. OAuth uses special tokens that control exactly what can be accessed and for how long, keeping your sensitive details safe.
Key components of OAuth.
OAuth involves three main roles: the user, the service you want to use, and the provider holding your data. The provider, like Google, issues a secure access token when you grant permission. The service uses this token to request only the information you approved, without ever seeing your password.
Why is OAuth important?
OAuth protects your security by reducing the risk of stolen passwords or leaked data. By using tokens instead of credentials, it minimizes the chances of sensitive information falling into the wrong hands. This approach is trusted across the web, making it a vital tool for safe, connected experiences online.
Real-world examples.
You probably use OAuth every day. For example, logging into Spotify with your Facebook account, or letting a fitness app read your Google Fit data. In each case, OAuth lets apps access only what you allow, giving you convenience and control over your personal information.